Hello students, I am Puneet Kaur from Department of English, GGDST College Haryana, District Hoshiarpur. Students, today is the very first day of our online teaching and learning. So, today we will discuss the syllabus which has been prescribed for your class by Punjab University Chandigarh. First of all, I would like to tell you about the title of your textbook, 10 Mighty Pens. Students, the title of your textbook is 10 Mighty Pens. So let's now have a look over the syllabus and the pattern of your question paper. Syllabus of BCom semester first. There will be one paper of 80 marks. 10 marks are reserved for the internal assessment and 10 marks are reserved for the practical work. Total number of your exam is 100. The paper shall consist of 2 units. Unit 1 will be text specific, means in Unit 1 the questions will be based on your textbook, and Unit 2 shall deal with different aspects of communication and language learning skills. Third, for Unit 1, the prescribed text is 10 mighty pens, as I have already told you. In your textbook, the lessons which have been prescribed into your syllabus are lesson number 1, The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde. Lesson number 2, The Gift of the Magi, written by O. Henry. Lesson number 3, The Judgment Seat of Vikramaditya, written by Sister Nivedita. Lesson number 4, Fur, written by Saki. Lesson number 5, A Marriage Proposal, written by the Russian writer Anton Chekhov. For Unit 2, there is no prescribed text, only suggested reading listed towards the end. Unit 2 shall consist of the following subunits, means in Unit 2 there will be subunits. First is business communication. It shall focus on different aspects of communication in general and business communication in particular. Communication within organizations, types of communication, and significance of positive attitude in improving communication. Next, there will be writing skills. Letters of all kinds, tender notices, auction notices, public notices, memos, and advertisements relating to sales or marketing. Next, there will be practical work to impart the skills of personal interview and public speaking like declamation and debate. For practical work, there will be Viva examination of 10 marks, which will include debate, declamation, and personal interview. So students, this is the syllabus of semester 1 of BCom. Let us now have a look over the pattern of your question paper. In section A, in section 1, it is text based and corresponds to unit 1 in the syllabus, means section 1 of your question paper will be based on your textbook. The very first question of your question paper will be it shall consist of 5 short questions and answers, and your answer should be in 100 to 120 words, out of which a student will be expected to attempt any 3. Means you have to attempt any 3 questions out of given 5 in the very first question of your question paper. This question shall be based upon the prescribed text 10 mighty pens, and this question will carry 12 marks. Question number 2. It shall consist of 2 long questions or answers, and your answer should be in 300 to 350 words. You have to attempt any 2 long questions and answers out of uh, there will be 2 long question and answers, out of which a student will be expected to attempt only one. Means in question number 2 there will be 2 questions, 2 long questions, and you have to attempt only one long question. This question shall have internal choice. It will be based upon the your textbook 10 mighty pens, and it will carry 10 marks. Question number 3. It shall consist of an unseen passage for comprehension, not more than 300 words. Means you have to write a passage in 300 words only. These with minimum 5 questions. There will be in question number 3 there will be an unseen passage containing 5 questions at the end. These questions should be designed in such a way that we are able to test a student's comprehension ability, language and presentation skills, and vocabulary, etc. This question regarding the unseen passage for comprehension will carry 12 marks. Question number 4. It shall exclusively be a test of vocabulary, but designed strictly on the lines of various exercises given at the end of each chapter in the prescribed text. The candidate shall be given 6 words in one column and asked to match them with words and meanings in the next column. This question will carry 6 marks. Section 2, based upon Unit 2. In Section 2, question number 5, this question shall test a student's ability to write business letter of various kinds in not more than 250 words. There will be internal choice, and the question means you have to attempt any one business letter out of the given 2. This question will carry 10 marks. Question number 6. This question shall be on memos, tender notices, or auction notices, public notices, or advertisements. This question will carry 20 marks. Question number 7. 2 short questions to test the student's understanding of various aspects of business communication. This question will carry 10 marks. So, students, this is the pattern of your question paper. You all are required to note it. Tomorrow we will continue with the next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.